What's up, guys? Get ready to pack your bags because today we're diving into the top 5 countries that will actually pay you to move there. From stunning landscapes to vibrant cities, we're about to uncover some hidden gems that offer incredible incentives for those looking for a change of pace. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's discover where your next adventure might take you. Let's get started. First up, we're heading to the land of pizza, pasta, and free money. Yep, Italy is facing a shrinking population in some rural areas, and they're willing to pay big bucks to attract new residents. We're talking villages nestled in the rolling hills of Tuscany, charming coastal towns, and historic communities just waiting to be brought back to life. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread, sipping espresso in a quaint piazza, and having thousands of euros deposited into your bank account. The catch? You might need to brush up on your Italian. But hey, with that much free cash, you can afford all the language lessons you need. Some towns are even offering houses for just €1. Sure, they might need a little TLC, but with the money you're saving, you can afford to turn that fixer-upper into your dream Italian villa. So what are you waiting for? Grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready to say ciao bella to a new life in Italy. Next up, we're jetting off to sunny Spain, a country known for its stunning beaches, delicious tapas, and now its generous grants for digital nomads and entrepreneurs. They're offering visas and financial support to help remote workers and entrepreneurs set up shop in their beautiful country. Imagine working from your laptop with a view of the Mediterranean Sea, taking a midday siesta, and enjoying all the amazing food and culture that Spain has to offer. Plus, with a lower cost of living than many other European countries, your money will go a lot further here. So if you're ready to trade in your office cubicle for a beachside co-working space, Spain might just be the perfect place for you to call mi casa. Let's go to Canada. Hold on to your toques, eh? We're heading north to the Great White North, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, friendly locals, and a surprising number of opportunities for skilled workers. Canada is facing a labor shortage in many industries, and they're pulling out all the stops to attract talented individuals from around the world. From healthcare to technology, there are tons of in-demand jobs with competitive salaries and great benefits. But it's not just about the work-life balance. Canada also boasts some of the most stunning scenery on the planet. Think towering mountains, pristine lakes, and vast forests teeming with wildlife. So if you're looking for a country with a high quality of life, incredible job opportunities, and a chance to immerse yourself in nature, Canada might just be the perfect place to plant your roots. Next up, we're heading to Portugal, a country brimming with history, culture, and some pretty sweet tax incentives for expats. Portugal has become a hotspot for digital nomads and retirees alike, thanks in part to its non-habitual resident (NHR) tax regime, which offers significant tax breaks for foreign residents. This country boasts stunning beaches, charming cobblestone streets, delicious food and wine, and a laid-back lifestyle that's hard to resist. You can spend your days exploring ancient castles, surfing world-class waves, or simply relaxing in a sidewalk cafe with a glass of Vinho Verde in hand. So if you're looking for a place to escape the rat race, enjoy a more relaxed pace of life, and maybe even save a few euros in taxes, Portugal might just be calling your name. New Zealand. Finally, we're heading down under to New Zealand, a country renowned for its stunning landscapes, adventurous spirit, and yes, even job opportunities. This island nation is home to towering mountains, sparkling glaciers, lush rainforests, and some of the most incredible hiking trails on the planet. They're also facing skills shortages in certain sectors, offering opportunities for skilled workers to live and work in paradise. And with a strong economy and a high quality of life, New Zealand offers the perfect balance of work and play. So if you're ready to trade in the ordinary for the extraordinary, New Zealand might just be the adventure of a lifetime. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible countries that will actually pay you to move there. Which country would you move to? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll make a video about it next. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of the crazy adventures we have planned. Thanks for watching.